All right, after you finish your initial assessment, it's going to give you your results. So this is known as your pi or total topics. The number that's in the middle here, this will tell you how many topics that you have. So depending on what course you're taking, like intermediate algebra, it's 380 topics for the total course. For college algebra, I know it's less. For pre-calculus, I think it's 340 topics. So depending on what course it is, the total amount of topics is going to be different. So to finish the course, you have to get through all of the topics that are in this pi. So based upon the initial assessment, I knew 130 out of the 380 topics. So instead of going back and relearning the material that I've already knew, I'm going to start off learning new material that I don't know. Okay, so I'm going to hit continue. That's going to take me to this home screen here. Okay, so if you notice on the side here, each week there's going to be things that you're going to want to be aware of. One is going to be this time goal. So each week you're going to have to get 10 hours. Summer it's going to be different. I think it's going to be 5 hours each day. But for fall and for spring, you're going to have to get 10 hours a week. Again, in the summer, typically you're going to have to get 5 hours a day, and it will keep track of your time right here. It will also tell you which topic goal that you need to meet for that week. So by the end of this week, I need to get to 335 topics. Usually it's not that much. So this is good information for you to be aware of. When you're ready to start the course, you're going to hit these triple bars and you're going to go to Learn. Okay. Problem's going to pop up, and this is going to be like an explanation. Okay, so you're going to go through the explanation. If the explanation makes sense, you're going to hit Start. If it doesn't make sense, maybe a video explanation might help more. So you can watch, the video explanation. Okay, and then once you think you can solve the problem, you hit Start. Okay, and then you solve the answer. So this is going to be 1/9. Hit check. Okay, I got it right. And I'm going to go to the next one. This one is going to be y minus 5 divided, let's see, y minus 5 divided by 4 times 2, what is it? 4. Check. Alright. Now if I get the next one right, I will be done. So this one is going to be 3w plus 5 divided by 10 2w plus 5. Check. Alright, so I got three right in a row, which means I gained a topic. Okay, so you gotta get 3 of those questions right in a row to gain a topic. So you continue the path, and it gives you the next problem. You just keep working through, okay, topics. Let's say, I'm looking at this problem like, man, I don't get this one, I want a different problem. You can hit this drop-down box, and you can select any of the problems that are up here. Alright? And that's basically how you're going to work through this course. Again, if I go back to the home screen, each week you're going to have to gain so many topics. Okay, and the syllabus can show you that. I'll show you that in the syllabus. Okay, so right now, currently this week I'm at 131. Alright, so let's look at the syllabus. Syllabus. Alright, so if I look at the syllabus, and I scroll down to the calendar, again, this is a summer schedule, so this is telling me, each individual day. So the first day, I got to get a total of 10 topics. I got to gain another 10 topics. So no matter where I'm starting at, I have to gain another 10 topics for today. Meaning, let's see. So what was I at? 131. So I'm at 131. It's telling me I got to gain 10 topics. So by the end of the day, today, I got to get to 141. Okay. If you're taking an ALEKS course like this in the spring or the fall, let me pull up the syllabus for that. Okay, let's say you're taking this course in the spring or the fall. It's not going to be broken down day by day because the semester is much longer. It's going to be broken down week by week. Let me get a different. So if we look at the syllabus and go to the calendar, okay, it's going to be broken down by the week. Okay, so this first week, I got to spend 10 hours working in ALEKS. I got to have a total of at least 15 topics by the end of that first week, and I got to gain 15 topics. So if you're on the semester, and again, you just got to look at the syllabus to see what this is, but this is telling me that by the end of the week, I would have to gain another 15 topics for this. Okay, so this is something you kind of have to keep track of yourself. It might take a few weeks for you to figure it out. I can help you with it if you need it. So that is getting started with how you're going to learn topics, your homework, your lessons, how you're going to learn material in this course.